Okay, I think it's going to be very difficult to show you me doing this and getting the camera in there. So I will just tell you what I'm going to do and then do it. At the bottom of the radiator on the back, you have a bolt just here. I don't have the bolt because the radiator guard was already fitted to mine and I just took it off to show you how to put it back on. I didn't put the original bolt back in. So the first thing you need to do is to remove the bolt that you will have here. Store it somewhere safely, but we're not going to use it to fit the radiator guard. We're going to replace it with the Allen bolt that came with the kit. So I'm sure you can see where I'm pointing, hopefully. So you need to remove that. Next bit is preparing our radiator guard. Now it comes with 2 strips of foam foam strips. You need to cut those down to roughly 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter pieces, and stick them all around the edge. If I show you here, I got them stuck all around the edge. And what we want to do is to get them as close as you can to the corner parts. Okay, so mostly evenly spread. Oh, I did have one there, but it seems to have fallen off. Same on that side. Otherwise, what you will find is that if you put them too close to the middles, you'll create a pivot, which will allow the corners to bang against the radiator, making it rattle. It seems to be something a lot of people have an issue with. So make sure you spread them out evenly, get them close to the corners, especially at the top where you're only tightening it with cable ties. I should put this the right way up. That's the top. Okay? So you need to get your foam strips evenly spaced out. Once they're stuck on, we can start attaching the radiator guard. Now, I'm going to go back to the internal bit. What we want to be doing is we want to fit between here. Okay? Can you see that? So basically you have this metal bracket and then you have the plastic of the fan. We want to be fitting the radiator guard between those. Okay? I can't hold the camera and do this, so I'll show you once I've done that little bit. Okay, so hopefully you can see that I've got the bolt in at the bottom. It's not tightened fully, it's just finger tight at the moment. You should also notice that I had the bracket on the wrong way, but as long as you notice how it is when you take the bolt out, in fact just leave it there, you'll have no problem. Okay, now we move on to fitting the cable ties, which we do up here. Okay, I'm not sure how well you can see this. On the top of the radiator guard, the bit that goes over the top of the radiator has 2 holes. We're going to feed it through the inside hole, and then from the back and grab it and feed it back up. It's a bit fiddly. Basically it's going around the bracket underneath, and I'm going to feed it back up through the other hole on the radiator guard bracket. As I mentioned, this was fiddly. There we go, like that. And that goes around the bracket on the back of the radiator. Okay. What we want to do is get it mostly tight. And then we're going to push the radiator guard against the radiator, just gently, and pull the cable tie tight, but not so tight that it snaps. Get some snips, cut the excess off, and there we are. Cable ties secured. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure the bolt is tight at the bottom, and we're done.